What's up YouTube? Welcome to Lakshit. So in this tutorial I will explain you how you can update and delete the data from your database. So let's begin. So for updating the data, we will create a function. Here let's name the function update and we will pass the same parameter. Here in the quotes we will change say update store set and type the value which you want to change. Let's say quantity and price. Quantity equals to question mark and price equals to question marks where it is, and type of which item you want to change the price and quantity. Next item equals to question mark and here we will pass the following parameters. First quantity comma price comma item, and then we will run this function update and pass the values. Item, let's say which we have item phone, then quantity, let's say we have 10 quantities, we want to change it to let's say 20 quantities, and after that the price, let's say the price should be double 1000, and save it, run it. Okay, we got an error, let's see. Okay, it's not items, it's item. Save it, run it. Python database .py. Here you can see the quantities has been updated 20 and 1000. So guys, how we can delete the values? For that, create another function, name the function delete, and here we will not pass any value. Here let's remove it, and we will type here delete from store where item equals to question mark, and then oops, we have to pass this item. I forgot about that, sorry guys. Item, and then one more thing, you have to put these brackets here. Now let's pass the value item, and make sure you put the comma. If you put these more than one value, you don't have to put the comma. If you are putting the one value only, you have to put this comma, and after that simply pass the value. Let's say we want to delete this phone. Let's see. Python database.py. Here you can see the database has been deleted. So if you have any kind of doubt or any kind of confusion, you can ask me in the comment box. And thank you, and meet you in the next tutorial.